Hello and welcome to Mr. Smart Guides, where we provide informative videos on health, science, and PowerPoint. In today's lecture, we'll explore the growing public health threat of antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance is affecting millions of people worldwide, and it's important to understand its mechanisms, causes, and impact on human health. Antibiotics are powerful drugs that are used to treat bacterial infections. They work by killing or stopping the growth of bacteria. However, overuse and misuse of antibiotics have led to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. When bacteria are exposed to antibiotics, some of them may mutate and develop resistance to the drugs. These resistant bacteria can then multiply and spread, making it difficult to treat infections. There are several mechanisms of antibiotic resistance. One common mechanism is the production of enzymes that break down antibiotics, rendering them ineffective. Another mechanism is the modification of bacterial cell walls, which prevents antibiotics from entering the bacteria. Additionally, bacteria can develop efflux pumps that pump out antibiotics before they can do any harm. The overuse and misuse of antibiotics are major contributors to antibiotic resistance. Overuse of antibiotics in agriculture, for example, can lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria that can spread to humans through contaminated food. Similarly, the overuse of antibiotics in human medicine, such as prescribing antibiotics for viral infections, can also contribute to the development of antibiotic resistance. The consequences of antibiotic resistance are significant. It can lead to longer hospital stays, higher healthcare costs, and increased mortality rates. Infections that were once easily treatable with antibiotics can now become life-threatening. In conclusion, antibiotic resistance is a serious public health threat that requires urgent action. To combat antibiotic resistance, we need to use antibiotics more responsibly, only when necessary and in appropriate doses. We also need to develop new antibiotics and alternative treatments for bacterial infections. It's up to all of us to take action to prevent the spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria and protect our health and the health of future generations. Thank you for watching this video on antibiotic resistance from Mr. Smart Guides. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and science.